Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Khanmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. A meeting of the heads and representatives of European Salesian publishing houses is taking place these days, 12 to 15 June 2023, in Bolton, United Kingdom. The goal is to share the experience of each publishing house, look for possible synergies, present new products, and share best practices. One of the topics is also to reflect on the role of Salesians in the publishing world. The meeting, promoted by the social communication sector led by Father Galdazio Mendes, was organized by the British Don Bosco Press Publishing House, which is hosting participants this year. The meeting is attended by heads of Salesian publishers from Portugal, Spain, Germany, Poland, Slovakia, Croatia and Slovenia, as well as two coordinators from the social communication sector, Fathers Ricardo Campoli and Mosage Mukula. In the week from 5th to 8th June, the Human Talent 2023 meeting was held at the facilities of the Salesian Theological Institute, which was attended by collaborators from the administration area and human talents from each of the works belonging to the Salesian province of Central America, CAM. The meeting opened on Monday evening with a warm welcome message from Father Julio Navarro, SDB CAM Provincial, who encouraged the participants to dedicate their efforts to this journey, highlighting the benefits that will be obtained for the various Salesian works. Soon after, they enjoyed a delicious dinner and fraternal sharing. The following days were characterized by an intense day of work, participating in the various planned activities such as training on leadership issues, standardization planning of the various processes of human talent, exchange of good practices, for which they visited the structures of the Don Bosco Salesian College and an in-depth study of Salesian spirituality. The meeting ended Thursday with a joyful coexistence during a trip to Antigua, Guatemala, located about 45 kilometers from the Guatemalan capital. The Salesian summer has arrived. After an intense academic year, thousands of children, adolescents and young people are preparing to experience some of the many proposals that the Salesians have prepared for the summer period. About 150 activities are planned between June and September, including camps, colonies and training courses. Although the figures are not yet definitive, forecasts speak of around 15,000 participants among all the Salesian summer initiatives. These proposals were made possible thanks to the involvement of about 300 Salesians and over 2,750 youth leaders who dedicate part of their holidays to accompanying children and adolescents. The initiatives are varied, always with the aim of offering spaces for recreation and free time with the support of the values of the Salesian charism. For this reason, for the implementation of the many activities, the work of the youth ministry delegations of the two Salesian provinces of Spain and of the respective youth centers deserves to be valued. On June 4th, at the Salesian Institute, the mother house of the Polish Salesians in Oswiecim, the annual meeting of the past pupils of the Salesian school of the city was held. Father Zymont Koska, Vicar of the Salesian province of Poland, Krakow, PLS, presided over the Holy Mass in the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians, during which the participants expressed gratitude for all the graces received. Various activities took place during the day: group photos, picnics, concerts, and an exciting football match between past pupils and Salesians. It was wonderful to come together, share memories, and strengthen ties, as the participants themselves say. Thank you for all the extraordinary moments, inspiring conversations, and joyful atmosphere. The Executive and General Director of the United Nations Development and Peace Association, Dr. Dominic F. Dixon, awarded the Salesian Institute of Graphic Arts (SIGA) in Chennai for having contributed to the achievement of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The contributions concern in particular two of the objectives of the United Nations: the eradication of poverty and quality education. During his award speech, Dixon said, "As a personal testimony, I want to say that today I am who I am because the Lord, through SIGA, has transformed my life and my character." Coming from a poor family and an academic failure, the Salesian Institute was truly a paradise on earth, where I was taught the importance of character and education. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.